Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to the Amira English Learning Podcast, where we make English learning fun, practical, and full of confidence. I'm your host, Amira.
And I'm your co-host, Khuram. It's so good to have you here with us. Today, we're talking about one of the most important and requested topics, how to learn and improve your English speaking skills.
So many of our listeners ask, Amira, how can I speak English fluently? How can I sound more natural? How can I stop being nervous when speaking? Well, this episode is for you.
We're going to break it down step by step. You'll get techniques, real-life examples, and even a little practice session with us. Ready? Absolutely. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If you can hear the natural rhythm of English, you'll start to imitate it without even realizing.
Let's go. First, let's talk about listening. Step 1. Listen more. Step 1 is to listen more. Listen every single day to English content, whether it's podcasts like this one, TV shows, YouTube videos, or even music. Choose things you genuinely enjoy.
That way, you won't get bored. And when you enjoy what you're hearing, your brain becomes more active and you absorb more. Learning becomes effortless.
When you listen, pay attention to how native speakers talk. Notice the rhythm, the stress on certain words, and how their intonation rises and falls.
I do that a lot with English TV shows. I pick my favorite scenes and repeat the lines. I pause and imitate the actors exactly. It really helps with accent and expression.
Also, try listening to the same content more than once. The first time, enjoy it. The second time, focus on the language.
Great tip. Repetition builds familiarity, and that helps you gain confidence when you start to speak.
And if you can, add subtitles the first time. Then try watching again without them. This helps develop your listening skills in stages.
Exactly. Over time, you'll notice how much more you understand, and how you naturally start using the same expressions in conversation.
Step 2. Use the shadowing technique. Let's move to the shadowing technique. This is one of my favorite methods. Shadowing means you repeat what someone says, right after they say it, like you're their echo.
Like being their shadow. You try to copy not just the words, but also the pronunciation, speed, and emotion. It trains your ears, mouth, and brain at the same time.
I'll say a sentence. Listeners, repeat after me. I'm learning English every day. Pause.
Now I'll say it a bit faster. I'm learning English every day. Try again, match my tone, speed, and rhythm.
Do this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Think of it as a daily workout, not for your body, but for your speaking muscles.
Shadowing helped me become fluent. I used to do it with TED Talks and news videos. Subtitles helped me follow along.
And don't worry if you can't match perfectly at first. Progress comes with practice.
Definitely. Over time, you'll sound more natural and confident.
Also, record your shadowing practice. Listen and compare with the original. This gives you clear feedback.
Yes, and try mixing content, use interviews, storytelling, and even comedy clips. Different styles help improve different skills.
Step 3. Talk to yourself. Another great technique is to talk to yourself in English. I know it might feel a little silly at first, but it's super effective.
I do that too. I describe my actions as I go through my day. For example, I say, I'm brushing my teeth now, or I'm opening the fridge.
It helps you get used to forming English sentences quickly, without translating in your head. It helps you start thinking in English, which is a huge leap.
Yes, it takes English from being just a subject to being part of your real life. And no one is listening, so it's a safe way to practice.
You can even pretend to have a conversation, ask yourself a question, then answer it.
Like, how was your day? Oh, it was great. I went for a walk and listened to music.
The more you practice this, the more fluent and natural your speech will become.
You can even do this in the mirror. It builds confidence and gets you used to making eye contact while speaking.
Step 4. Find a speaking partner. Let's talk about speaking partners. Practicing with a real person helps you develop real conversation skills.
You can find language partners online, through apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, Speaky, or through Facebook groups and forums.
Having regular conversations gives you feedback, and it also keeps you motivated. You don't have to do this alone. Also, try setting a time every week to chat, maybe 30 minutes every Saturday.
And remember, your partner doesn't have to be a native speaker. Speaking with another learner is still great practice. That's a great idea. And don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to keep communicating.
Make it a routine. Join language exchange meetups in your area or virtual conversation clubs. It's also a fun way to make friends.
Yes, community support makes a big difference. It keeps your motivation high and helps you stay consistent.
Step 5. Use vocabulary in speaking. Let's talk about vocabulary. It's easy to fall into the trap of just memorizing word lists. But that's not enough. You have to use new words in your speaking. For example, the word is confident. Say, I feel confident when I speak English.
That's right. If you learn a new word, try making at least 3 sentences with it. Say them out loud. She gave a confident answer during the meeting. Now you try saying, confidence is important for success.
Great job. Using vocabulary in real sentences helps it stick in your memory much longer. Or use vocabulary in mini-stories. Be creative.
You can also use a speaking journal. Each day, write a few new sentences and read them aloud. Try to use the word in a real conversation within 24 hours. That's one of the best ways to remember it.
Step 6. Record yourself. Another tip that changed the way I learned: record yourself speaking. It might feel weird at first, but it's really powerful.
Yes. It helps you hear yourself the way others do. You can catch pronunciation errors or notice if you pause too much.
Start small. Talk about your day for 1 minute. Then listen to it. Do this regularly and track your progress.
Over time, your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence will improve, and you'll have proof of your journey.
Keep your recordings. It's like a journal of your voice. You can see how far you've come in a few months.
And share them with a tutor or partner if you want feedback. Don't be shy. It's all part of the learning process.
Step 7. Don't fear mistakes. One of the biggest obstacles in speaking English is fear. Fear of making mistakes. But let me tell you, don't fear mistakes. Every speaker, even native speakers, makes mistakes. The important thing is to keep going and keep trying.
Yes. Mistakes are signs that you are learning. They are not something to be ashamed of. Every time you speak, you build courage. So speak more, and don't stop. Mistakes are just stepping stones to fluency.
Remember, mistakes are how you learn. The only real mistake is staying silent.
Be proud of yourself for trying. That takes strength.
Practice time, role play. Let's have some fun with a role play. Imagine you're at a cafe. I'll be the server, you be the customer. Ready?
Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. Can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken sandwich and a glass of orange juice, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $8.50. Please wait while we prepare your meal.
Sure, thank you very much.
Great job. You can try this kind of role play with a friend, a tutor, or even by yourself.
Do this regularly. It prepares you for real-life conversations and gives you confidence.
Try different situations, at a store, doctor's office, or airport. Practice builds readiness.
And the more realistic the role play, the better prepared you'll be in real life.
Final motivation and encouragement. Let's finish with a little motivation. Remember, set small, clear goals. For example, this week, I'll practice speaking for 10 minutes a day.
And celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Share your goals with a friend or write them in your journal.
Don't compare your journey with others. Everyone learns at their own speed.
That's right. You're not in a race, you're on a journey. And every step you take is a success.
Even speaking one full sentence in English today is a win. Keep going, and don't give up.
We believe in you. You've got this, and we're here cheering for you every step of the way.
Outro. Thank you for joining us today. I hope these tips give you the tools and the confidence to improve your speaking skills.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, we're here cheering for you.
If you liked this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English learning content.
Until next time, stay positive, stay curious, and keep speaking. Bye, everyone.